Okay, so in the last example, we graphed the function x plus 3 squared minus 1. In this example, we're going to look at what happens if there's an a value. So notice how there's a 2 in front of the parentheses here. That 2 just works as a multiplier, so we're still going to follow that same squaring pattern. So we start with our vertex, which we know is at negative 3, the opposite value, so negative 3, negative 1. All right. And then we go over 1 and up 1, right? Over 1 and up 1 squared. Okay, well, with this multiplier of 2, we're going to do that twice. So 1 squared is 1, and then we double that again. 1 doubled is 2. Okay, from my vertex, if I go 2 to the right, then I go up 2 squared, which is 4. That's what we did. But that multiplier is going to double it. So instead of going up 4, I go up 8. So here's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then from my vertex, if I go over 3, I'd go up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, but for this, we're going to double that value. Okay, well, I can't double that value. It doesn't fit on my screen. But we can see here that our parabola is much skinnier, right? It's been stretched vertically, all right? Almost like if you grabbed it at the top and the bottom and you stretched it apart, you pulled it apart, it gets a little bit skinnier. Yeah, so one more time. It's just a multiplier, so you follow that pattern to the right 1, up 1 squared, okay? And then multiply by your a value makes it 2. To the right 2, go up 2 squared, which is 4, and then double that value. To the right 3, up 3 squared, which is 9, and then double that value.